Welcome to the latest installment of our Building for the Future video series, highlighting needed improvements and renovations to our schools. I'm Business Administrator David Oliveira, and today we're looking at improvements made to the Piscataway High School Anthony Gymnasium. In June 2025, our district began a project in the Susan B. Anthony Gym that called for the replacement of the upper portion of the walls with new acoustical panels, the replacement of the old wooden bleachers, installation of new doors, and a new paint job. While that project was in its early stages, we were dealt an unexpected curveball when a heavy rainstorm caused flooding in the gym, severely damaging the wooden floor. What began as aesthetic and acoustical improvements became a full-blown gym upgrade.
The original plan was to paint and do new acoustical panels and replace the bleachers, but we had just started work in early July and had a flood, which damaged the gym floor to the point where it needed to be repaired. Ultimately, it led us to the decision to renovate the entire gym.
We worked with our insurance carrier to quickly incorporate the floor replacement with the ongoing acoustical upgrade and bleacher project. A state-of-the-art wood floor system was installed with new graphics, court lines, and floor stain. The weight room also received new rubber flooring.
I am so happy with the way it came out. The designers of the floor had a lot of great things to say, a lot of great feedback that we were able to take and incorporate into the design of the floor. And I think the finished product by far is we've now got the nicest gym in Middlesex County.
The acoustical upgrades removed old corrugated metal mesh panels and replaced them with an impact-resistant, sound-absorbing panel system. New ADA-compliant motorized bleachers with handrails were installed, and the ceiling and gym walls were painted gray and yellow. New doors and scoreboards were also installed. Old cloth banners celebrating sports team accomplishments will soon be replaced with new, brightly colored, heavy-duty banners.
I'm excited about the acoustical panels. The aesthetics of the gym, I think are really just make it a welcoming environment. The bleachers are new, they're ADA compliant. They allow for handicap seating without a lot of work on our custodial staff. Township Rec Basketball uses this gym, so it's not just PHS. I think the larger community is going to really benefit from such an amazing space.
Piscataway High School students have begun using the gymnasium for phys ed classes, and the court was ready for the opening of the girls and boys basketball season.
It's a space that stands out and is worthy of the Piscataway Chief Nation to come out and represent well. I'm happy to be your new superintendent. I'm happy to be leading this district. And this is moments like tonight that allow us to say, this is what Piscataway is supposed to be. This is how we're supposed to represent. And I'm already confident this floor is going to have a lot of victories over the next 2 years.
As home to our basketball, volleyball, and wrestling teams, the Anthony Gym is one of the most visited locations in our district. This impressive new athletics venue will make a positive impression for years to come on visitors from throughout our community, as well as sports fans from throughout the state who visit Chiefs Nation. Thank you for watching.